Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're finishing our course with one of the most joyful topics in the English language, celebrations and special occasions. From birthdays and weddings to New Year and promotions, these are the moments that bring people together. Birthdays are universal. The classic greeting is simply, "Happy birthday," but there are many more natural phrases. Many happy returns means, may you have many more happy birthdays to come. A milestone birthday, like a 30th, 40th, or 50th, often deserves something more elaborate. You might say, 50 years of brilliance, here's to the next 50. Congratulations is used for achievements. A promotion, graduation, engagement, new baby, or passing an exam. You might say, congratulations on finishing your degree, all that hard work has really paid off. Or, I'm so happy for you both, it's wonderful news. Weddings have their own rich vocabulary. The ceremony is the formal legal and symbolic part, where the vows are exchanged. The reception is the party afterwards. The best man and maid of honor support the couple. And the toast, the speech, is one of the most memorable parts of any wedding. A toast is a short speech followed by everyone raising their glass and drinking in honor of the person or occasion. The classic structure is brief story or quality, heartfelt wish, and invitation to drink. For example, to someone who makes every room brighter just by being in it, to the bride and groom, and everyone responds, to the bride and groom. Receiving congratulations graciously is also a skill. Don't just say thanks, acknowledge the person's thoughtfulness. Thank you so much. It means a lot that you came. Or, that's so kind of you to say. Today, we've reached the end of our 65-lesson journey. Thank you for learning English with me. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep connecting. See you again soon.